Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share my mom's kitchen transformation. We recently remodeled her kitchen and I can't wait for you to see it. Fortunately, I don't have any footage of the kitchen before we started the construction, but here's us during the demo. So we took everything apart. As you can see, it was just dark and non-functional. We put new flooring, we painted, we added more recessed lighting to make it brighter, and of course, brand new cabinet. This was all a labor of love, you guys. We did it as a family and it worked out perfectly. My mom was in love. Like she is obsessed with her new kitchen. So I'm gonna be linking everything down below as far as, kitchen hardware, where the backsplash is from. It is for floor and decor. This cool dining set that I got her for Mother's Day. It's the perfect size. It is from City Furniture. So check the description box because I'm gonna be linking everything there for you guys. My mom's kitchen, she had a couple of requests when we were doing the remodel. One of them was to have one of these wine fridges, beverage fridges, and our friends at New Air were super nice to send us one. This one is the New Air 15-inch premium built-in dual zone. This fridge takes 9 bottles and 48 cans, so you can put your wine and your beverage in here, and it's all made of stainless steel. So as you can see here, we had a little bit of space left and we just added molding to that area to finish the look. You guys, New Air is giving you guys 10% discount on any product on their website, so don't forget to use my code Santana10 to take advantage of the discount. So as you can see here, you have plenty of shelf space and you could also move those shelves around, and it has a dual zone, so you could put different temperatures for your wine and your beverage. Another item that I wanted to share from New Air is this Nugget Countertop Ice Maker. I am obsessed, you guys. First of all, this makes up to 44 pounds of ice, super easy in less than 24 hours, and refillable water tank, perfect for your kitchen, your office, your outdoor, anything. This is perfect for summer entertainment. So after you clean the unit, you go ahead and pour your water to the max line, of course, and then it starts making ice. It says that it takes 24 hours, but you guys, I pressed the ice and 20 minutes later, we started getting ice. I was shocked. Amazing. Look at all the little nugget ice. I love it. This is perfect for drinks. Now I'm gonna add a few touches to my mom kitchen. Simple decor, I just wanna keep it nice and clean and fresh. But one of her requests was for me to display her tip cup collection. She has a bunch, by the way. I just displayed a few. And that's what I'm doing here, creating like a coffee station area for her, and displaying her things. And while I was doing that, obviously she was cleaning the fridge, as you can see. And here's her little collection, the ones that I picked from her collection to display. So I gifted my mom some of my kitchen items, like this oil and vinegar bottle here that I was not longer using, and I was just, putting her in here. And also this little greenery, it's perfect for her kitchen. The little trays that you see there, that marble, they're from Ross. The greenery is from Home Goods, and the bottles are also from Home Goods. I gave her my old knife set, and we just displaying little things in here. I don't want the counters to be cluttered, so yeah, this is pretty much it, you guys. And this is how my mother's kitchen looks. I am so happy for her. She really needed this kitchen to be refreshed and functional for her. And I'm so glad I was able to do that. So this was a gift from myself, her husband, and of course my brother. We all shipped in to make this happen, and I'm so glad we did. Got a lot of the items from Amazon, like the sink. I got the hood range, a lot of the items, the hardware. This little sponge holder is also from Amazon. So don't forget to check the description box where I'll be linking all the items for the kitchen. Thanks a lot for watching. That was it for today's video. Let me know what you thought of this kitchen remodel down in the comments. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.